What's up, everybody? Welcome to our channel. I'm George. This is Malaka Motorsports. So we've been posting a lot of RS3 updates, roll racing, E85 reviews. Man, racing with the RS3, it's been a ton of fun, and the car's just been doing great. But it is time to actually talk about the cars that we're really truly passionate about. While we love the RS3, me and Stavros' passion are the B5, the A4, the S4. That's just the cars that are in our hearts. So you guys know that we have VR6 swap cars. Mine's a 24 valve, Stavros is a 12 valve. We're putting together Stavros' car. We're mating the transmission and the motor. We're gonna put it in his bay. Today is Thursday. We have to get the car together down to LA so Stavros can get his car wired up and hopefully by next weekend fired up and moving. So it's a very crucial time for this car right now. So really excited to bring this to you guys. We got a time lapse, maybe some short pauses and intervals, and that's pretty much it. So welcome to Stavros' time lapse of his motor install, and I hope you guys have a good time. We'll update you guys as the video progresses. We'll update you towards the end, and we'll talk a little bit more about what's planned with this car. All right, guys, let's get to it. All right, guys, so we got the motor in. Stavros really excited. We're gonna start buttoning this girl up. Again, the goal is to get this car together and get it down to LA on Sunday. So we got a lot of work ahead of us. The easy part is pretty much out of the way now. Now we gotta mount the motor hard to the chassis, start aligning things, bolting on the accessories, intake manifold, exhaust manifold, hoses, all the gizmos and gadgets that's gonna need it to get this car together so we can get it to LA on Sunday. Anyway, we're going to continue with this time lapse. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying what you're seeing so far. Again, this is just our humble garage, and hopefully you guys like what you've been watching. So anyway, let's continue this time lapse, and we'll update you guys towards the end of this video. right, guys, so we bled the clutch, the motor's in, bolted down, drive shaft's installed, axles are installed, and we're gonna call it a night. So we'll finish up a little bit more tomorrow. We'll take, of course, more footage. We're gonna have a little bit more fun, but right now, this is where we're at. Stavros' motor is more or less in, and now the fun yet scrutinous yet detailed part of really plugging and playing and putting everything together and getting everything right and buttoning this girl up. So, hope you guys like what you've been watching. We'll come back with a little bit more, but right now, we're gonna call it a night. Good night, Malakas. Made some comments about his car running before mine, huh? Let's see. Yep. Let's see if we can fix that. Motor looks great, by the way. Let's see what we can do. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Yep. Should clean out the engine good, right? You had all of that 409 in there. Multi-surface, especially for 12 LVRs. Yeah, looks like bricks. So 12 LVR should clean up real nice. Put that down. Hey, Stavro, good luck on the first start, man.